Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your PC has recent Windows updates and a quick backup of important files. That prevents data loss. Once done, open Word 2010 and go straight to File, then Help to check the current build. Make sure Office is activated. The update options appear only for genuine installations. If you see an Update Options button, click it now to proceed. This gets you from setup to the first actionable step without wasting time on basic prep. After enabling updates, choose Update Now so Word contacts Microsoft and downloads necessary patches. The installer may request elevated permissions, accept UAC prompts, and let the process run, interrupting risks corruption. While downloading, close other Office apps to free resources and monitor progress in the dialog box. Once the files are applied, the updater may prompt for a restart of Word or the system. Follow those prompts. This step completes the core installation of security fixes and stability. Finish by restarting Word and confirming the new version under File and Help so you know updates applied. If Word crashes or the update fails, first reboot and rerun Update Now. Next, use the Microsoft Fix-It or Windows Update Troubleshooter to repair update components. If issues persist, download the specific Office 2010 update package and install manually. This bypasses stuck updaters. Make sure to restore your backup only if file issues appear. Otherwise, resume normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.